for joining me for today's video. If you're one of my regulars, I just wanted to say thank you so much for being here. You guys know I really appreciate you, and thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate you guys taking the time out of your day just to watch my videos. It really means so much to me. You guys have no idea. And if you guys are new here or just happen to click on this video, welcome. My name is Lisa. On this channel, I talk about luxury handbags and shoes. I also talk about fashion and beauty, a little bit of travel. I also have a love for perfume and fragrances. And I do a little bit of vlogging and share little facets of my life with you. So if any of those things sound interesting or vibe with you, please subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you here as part of my family, and definitely click that little bell icon below so you'll be notified each and every time I upload a video. Alright guys, so excited about today's video. Today I actually have an unboxing video for you guys, and I've been trying to get this item for quite a while, so I can't believe I actually have it in my possession. I've actually had this box since Wednesday, and today is actually Sunday. And so many people, like, I posted the box on Instagram, and I don't know, a lot of my friends have been texting me, asking me when I'm gonna open it. And people have been asking me when I'm gonna open it, but I just got really busy. It was crazy at work, and then I had to go to town. I had to pack and all that other stuff. So I also wanted to kind of, you know, unbox it with you guys. So anyway, I just got off of a plane, so I'm just going to apologize in advance because I'm super tired. Actually, the thing that I really want to do is just go get in the bed, but I do want to see what's in this box, because the whole time I was there, I actually went to Denver, Colorado. So the whole time I was in Denver, I was like thinking about this box, believe it or not. So anyway, yeah, here is the box. And yeah, I went to Denver, and believe it or not, it had the nerve to be snowing. Really, Denver? I mean, it really... in the middle of April, why? Like, I was so irritated. Anyway, actually the last time I went to Denver in April, it decided they were gonna have a snowstorm. I don't know, maybe it's just me. Whenever I go in April, it decides to snow. It's like the weirdest thing. So anyway, I am back. I had a great time. I didn't get a lot of sleep. So yeah, I had an early morning flight this morning. You know, my hat actually goes off to anyone who comes to the airport in full makeup at 5 or 6 o'clock in the morning for a 6 o'clock flight and all that. I just can't do it. I mean, honestly, if you see me in the airport that early in the morning, I will look so busted. I barely have the energy to get up and take a shower, put my stuff together, and roll out the door. So yeah, I'd be looking horrible. So I had to actually come home, even as tired as I was, and put some makeup on because I looked absolutely horrific. So yeah, anyway, I want to see what's in this box, and I know you guys do too. That's the point of this video. So let's get to opening it. This item was so hard to get, I cannot even begin to tell you. It's sold out everywhere. So here's what the inside of the box looks like. Just a bunch of tissue paper so far. Anyway, this item has been sold out everywhere. Like, I have tried all over the place. I tried the boutique in Los Angeles and Beverly Hills. I have tried the one in South Coast Plaza. As you can see, it is from the House of Fendi, and this is actually my first Fendi item. I don't own anything from Fendi, so I'm just really excited. So anyway, I tried South Coast Plaza. I tried all the department stores that have a Fendi boutique in them. No one had it. Like, nobody had this. I've called all over the country to different places, and anyway, basically the essay said that this item was basically sold out even before it hit, you know, even before it was released. It was allowed to be bought by pre-order, so a lot of people pre-ordered it and bought it that way, so that's why it's so hard to get. But anyway, I got my hands on one, and the way that I got this was actually through the route of a personal shopper. So yes, I actually got this person's information from my friend here, Amber, on Instagram and YouTube. Her name is All Pieces of Amber here on YouTube, so I'll put her information below, so definitely make sure you check out her channel. So thank you so much, Amber. I love you. You know I love you. So that's how I got the information of this person. Otherwise, most likely I would still not have this bag. So let's just open it. It has this little Fendi sticker on it, and yeah. So as you can see, the box opens like this. It has a magnetic opening and closing like most of the boxes do these days. So it has the iconic gold Fendi packaging with the, you know, the black lettering. And let's open it. Oh my goodness. Okay, so here you go. It just says Fendi Roma on this sticker. I'm gonna try not to bother that too much. Anyway, I'm so tired. You guys have no idea. All right, so here is the dust bag. It just says Fendi in white lettering, Roma right here. And I actually really like this dust bag. It's like a drawstring dust bag, and the strings actually look like they're made out of leather. So let's see. Oh my God, I've wanted this so much. So anyway, you know, some people have told me like they wouldn't put any more of these out, and then somebody also said that it might be coming out again in May, so look for it then. But anyway, this gentleman, he called me, or he sent me a message and said that he got one in and asked me if I wanted it. And hello, of course, yes, I want it. So anyway, he ended up sending it to me, and I'm so freaking happy. So let's see what's in here. Oh my goodness. It is freaking fabulous. I freaking love it. So here's what it is up close. As you can see, it still has the plastic on the hardware. Ah, yes. I cannot believe I still can't believe I have this in my possession. So this is the Fendi Baguette in the size medium in black lambskin leather with gold hardware. So, wow, look at that. It's so amazing. It's lambskin leather, so it's super soft. It's buttery soft. It's nice and squishy, and it's a nice flexible bag. So here's the sides. Here is the back. So you guys know I don't really like a whole bunch of logos, but I can deal with this one. I like the way this one is. You know, it's kind of more in a subtle than just like the two-tone. Like if it was in two different colors, so it just kind of melts in. And I love like it has like the little puffy leathers, and I don't know, I just love it. Oh my goodness, the gold hardware is amazing. Let me take the little plastic off. All right, so this bag actually comes in different sizes. It comes in a mini size, it comes in this medium size, and it also comes in a large size. So actually I just saw where Melissa Soldera revealed the mini size on her channel, which is so cute. I really, really love it, but I actually just wanted this size. So I wanted a black bag with gold hardware in about this size, and a smaller size. You guys know I love my smaller bags right now, and I actually don't own one in my collection, believe it or not, a black one. So this one came about and I became obsessed with it. So anyway, I love the fact that it has a top handle right here, and you can actually take this strap off, so it is removable. And I love that about it. I love that it has different options for you to wear it. So let's see. So You can take this off if you wanted to, and you could carry it as a clutch. You could, let me put it back on. So let me show you the hardware first. I love the fact that it spins freely, and that way like it doesn't get twisted on the bag when you're carrying it. It actually says Fendi on the hardware. It's engraved on the gold hardware. If I can get that to focus. So let me clip it back on. And this is how the clasp looks, so. So I love the fact that it has the top handle. You can take it off, wear it as a clutch. You can carry it as a top handle bag. You can carry it on your shoulder, even though this is kind of tight. So the strap actually isn't too long, but since the bag is actually flexible, it makes that a little bit more doable. So I kind of have bigger shoulders. If you have smaller shoulders, it might not be an issue for you. If you have bigger shoulders, yes, that might be an issue. If you're a taller person, it might be a bit of an issue. But anyway, I freaking love it. And like I said, this is a structured bag, but it is very squishy and very flexible, if that makes any sense. So let's just open it up. As you can see, it has this long strap, which is one of the other things that I loved about this bag. So has a lot of flexibility. And I'm going to take out the paper so we can see the inside. And inside it has this envelope that says Fendi on it. And let's see what we have inside the envelope. So this is a care card that basically just has, you know, information on how to care for the bag. And then right here you have this card that says Fendi Roma on it. And then on this side it just has the information about the bag on the back of the card, like the item number and information. So I'll zoom in on it, so if you're interested you can check it out. And I will put some information below in the description bar, so be sure to look for that. So anyway, this is the inside of the bag. I love that it's just open. It has one zippered pocket right here, and it has this tab right here that says Baguette Fendi made in Italy. And then it just has a, you know, this tab made out of leather, like a pull tab to open and close the zipper. So just open. The lining is actually like a material lining that says Fendi every now and then, placed kind of engraved in the lining. So I really like that. Absolutely gorgeous. You can actually put quite a few items in here. And this is how the inner flap looks. Also on the back of the buckle it says Fendi made in Italy, and it just opens and closes like by this button magnetic closure, like so. And it actually says Fendi here on this right here. So I'm absolutely totally in love with this bag already. I cannot believe I have it. So this bag, like I said, it comes in different sizes. It comes in different colors. The colors I've seen it comes in this nice light yellow color, like a butter yellow color. And then it also comes in white, which my friend Amber wants. I never actually wanted a white bag until I saw her like carrying that one or trying that one on. So that one's really pretty in white. It also comes in light blue. I was really tempted to get light blue because if you guys know me, anything about me, you guys know that light blue is my favorite color. But I just really needed a black one. So I was just waiting for this black one, and I can't believe I have it. I know I keep saying that, but I really can't believe I actually got this bag. So anyway, it also comes in light blue. It also comes in like a bubblegum pink color, and I believe I've seen it in a purple color. So yeah. Anyway, love this size. It's perfect for me, and like I said, it comes in a mini size, and it also comes in a larger size. The larger size for me is too big. I'm on the shorter side, so I'm only about 5'4". My friend Amber, who's 5'9", I believe, she tried it on. It actually looks really great on her, so love the way it looks on her, but on me it just looks way too big. I always wanted a Fendi baguette, but the original one had the infamous Zuka print in brown and black. And if you guys have been watching me for a while, you guys know I don't like the color brown. It's my least favorite color in the color spectrum. And I almost bought it, even though I really love the bag, but I just couldn't pull the trigger because it had the color brown in it. So I never bought it, but this one I absolutely love because it's all leather and it's black. So, you know, each year Fendi comes out with a slightly different version. You know, it comes in different materials, different colors, sequins, different fabrics, all kinds of things. Supposedly maybe this fall they might come out with one in a patent leather, someone told me, so we'll see. But each year it changes. Anyway, so as you guys may know, this Baguette, it's an iconic, very iconic bag for the House of Fendi. It comes out each year in a slightly different pattern or style. You know, it changes materials or comes out with sequins, different materials, different colors. I love the fact that this one is like all leather. So each year it's just different. It's just a very iconic bag for them, and it was basically created by Sylvia Venetti Fendi for the House of Fendi. She was the accessories designer for the House of Fendi, and she named this bag the Baguette after the little loaf of bread that the French carry around, like they carry it under their arm. That's the typical way that you see people carrying it. So that's how this bag was named, and then it became kind of really known as it was shown on one of my favorite shows. As you guys know, I hate to be repetitive, on my favorite show, Sex and the City. And yes, it's not a bag, it's a baguette. So as Sarah Jessica Parker said in the show. And yeah, the guy tried to steal her bag, so she's like, it's not a bag, it's a baguette. But anyway, if you saw that episode, you guys know what I'm talking about. Yes, I love this bag. Love it. So anyway, that is my new baby, you guys. I am so freaking in love with this bag. I cannot believe it. I'll have to come back and do another video showing you guys what fits in it, do a little bit of modeling shots and all that. But yes, here she is. So anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. I love you guys. Have a great week. I do have some more videos coming up for you guys this week, so stay tuned for those. And I guess I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.